one of the things we want to do while we're here in Boracay is we want to fly our drone. And from what I can tell from people I've talked to, I talked to the police, I talked to some of the tour guide operators, and from what I can tell online, you have to get a permit to do it. So we're going to go down to the local barangay here and see if we can get a permit for flying a drone here in Boracay. I don't know what our success is going to be like, but we're just flagging down a trike. All the trikes here are electric, by the way. I don't know if you knew that or not, but
Barangay Balapag po, 150.
150 dun sa pinakuhaan ng train.
Apo. Magkuha ng permit. What's your rate, sir?
yeah, I got a big head. You know where to get the drone permit?
Yes.
So how hard is it to get the permit?
We ask the interior there and outside.
Is it hard to get a permit, or do they just?
I don't know, sir.
He doesn't know, but he'll ask the one the one from the government,
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool.
like those guys, like
Right,
like
right.
the peacemakers.
Permit sa drone bla.
Kung muwa malangit ka, sa limit sa nagkauran. Pero try mo lang to.
Try lang ako.
Oo.
Sabi ko yan.
Pag wala daw, ano ma'am, wedding.
Walang wedding?
Pag walang wedding, hindi sila daw bibigay. Pero sabi niya sa atin, try lang daw.
They said they don't have wedding. They won't give any permit, but you can try.
If you don't have a what?
If you don't have a wedding,
Yeah.
then they won't give a permit. But he said you can try. They might give you. So.
You want to get married?
No, like you know those guys who do the wedding drone.
Yeah. I mean,
I mean, this is the test of how you can convince people.
yeah, right.
How good are you in convincing people?
Well, and here's the other thing too, is I'm not sure, it's not for commercial activity, and it is a drone that's licensed on 149 grams. It's just a mini drone, so it shouldn't need a license to fly it. So I'm just gonna find out if, but I mean, that's different than actually getting a permit to fly a drone. I mean, flying a drone is flying a drone no matter how big it is, so yeah, we'll try anyways.
Look at my thing.
Mm-hmm.
Look at my thing. This is so pretty.
It is pretty. Where'd you get that from?
And this thing. So we went to this Pasalubong area, and Eden spent like 5,000 Pasalubong. Probably I spent 3,000.
What?
Not for my Pasalubong, but I bought things for my parents. And
Oh, yeah,
Eden
yeah.
bought things for our families. It's cheap, but it's a cheap store, and we bought a lot of like clothes and other stuff. It's nice. And then the ate give us so many discounts. They give this is freebie because we bought a lot of things. I was gonna buy one for you, but then we realized your hand is big, so this will not fit on you. But we bought a lot, guys. I can show you a clip of the video that I took from the store. It's actually the lady is actually very kind to give us so much freebies and so much discounts. So
Nice. So you did a little bit of haggling.
of course you're gonna do haggling. We're Filipino. We're gonna haggle as much as we could.
Well, I could not haggle my 100 peso sunglasses.
Because it's 100.
Well, yeah. Okay. So to be fair, and my Ray-Bans that I've had for quite some time, which I actually got for free because I found them just sitting on a pair of stairs and down by my apartment in Victoria. And I mean, I've had them for 5 years, so I mean, they've been pretty good for free sunglasses. But they are getting scratched up now. So I was gonna get a new pair of Ray-Bans, and I thought, I can't just know if I can justify spending $300 on sunglasses that I might lose. Although I haven't lost these ones. That being said, for now, I got these. $100, $100, 100 pesos. And they're nice looking, they're comfortable, they seem to be doing the job.
And guys, you probably hear that story 20 times on each vlog because you've been telling the same story every vlog. Yeah.
you gonna diss me on my video?
But I like the sunglasses on him. It doesn't look 100 pesos.
No,
Like $2
no.
doesn't look like $2.
No, I mean I probably would have spent $10 on these. I mean,
But this
mean,
will
it's-
do the work, right?
yeah, it's $2.50, right?
It may not be anti-radiation or anti-UV rays, but you can see it doesn't hurt your eyes, so
No,
it's okay.
It's bright outside, so. So I mean, they could last for the time they were in Boracay here, and I'll have gotten my money's worth. Ooh, right down by the beach.
A few moments later.
So just got back from the drone office, and long story short, can't fly a drone here. It's possible, but you have to be doing it for commercial reasons, can't do it for personal reasons, and vlogs are not considered personal reasons. They basically made the restrictions a lot more tighter when Duterte shut down Boracay down in 2018. So we can't fly a drone here without going through a whole bunch of paperwork and everything else, and that's for the whole island. So yeah, we won't be flying a drone here, unfortunately, but we do have the drone, and we're going to be going to a whole bunch of other places, so we'll fly some drones, get some more drone footage of you.